Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are finishing off this extra paint that I have. This is, okay, sorry. I thought this canvas was ready, but apparently it was not. All right, now we're good. All right, teaching a class with teenagers, and I have lots of extra paint. So we are using it, and we are doing some techniques that kind of slipped past me that I have not done. So this one is going to be the tornado. Like it's like a tree ring, and then you go back into it. Like, so you're doing the tree ring, you travel a little bit this way, and then you go back into it, I guess. And it looks like a tornado. It actually does. And so I've always been kind of turned off by that because I was actually in a tornado, like in a tornado. The tornado actually hit our house, took all the outside walls, took the whole entire roof, and we're in it. Like me and my daughter were in it, and we were not hurt, but it was very, traumatic. So I've never done the tornado before. But it's been long enough now. We're good. We can do this. So we're just going to get with it. And in this cup is a lot of paint. It is all primary red, yellow, and blue. And my students mixed some purple out of the red and blue, of course, and then a little bit of green out of the yellow and the red. The purple almost looks like black. There is no black, but there is some white. So let's just get to it. Gonna start with a tree ring. So you pour the tree ring for a little bit, and then go a little bit that way, and then back the other way. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Yeah, I probably didn't do that right. Didn't look like how I'd seen it done before. Probably need to look at that again. All right, I'm gonna still use the rest of this paint, so I'm just gonna go off the other direction. So it's turning into another traveling tree ring, which was my first one I just did already, so. But it's too much fun, so I won't stop. All right. I'm very happy with how they mix their paints. We have several lessons going kind of at once where we're, you're learning techniques and you're mixing paint and you're learning about color theory. So you do a little bit this week, and then you have the emphasis on something else the next week, so that you're building blocks and giving them a basis, like a foundation for their art, for the colors and for mixing paints and for knowing the different mediums even. Because we did a bunch of coasters, because what better way to try out some different techniques. So then we got to do some resin. So what better way to learn resin for the first time than covering some, mixing it and covering some coasters. So they did great. It's so much fun. All right, I guess we're gonna have to go off of here somewhere. Let's go that way. How fun are these patterns? All right, now we're gonna go this way. It is amazing what you can do with just primary colors. I think sometimes we forget that. We want all our fancy colors. All right, let's take it off this last corner. And I have a major bubble right there or something. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my spatula and get that out of there. Something's going on. Really didn't want to lose all that red. I hope I don't. Let's see. Ah. I don't know what the deal is. I've been losing tags left and right lately. All right. Checking my edges. Okay. I have lost 2 tacks. You know, it must be this new batch of taxes. I bought these new tacks and I swear they do not stay in. Okay. So let me just get this paint redistributed. All right. Yeah, I got a mess. All right, hold on, guys. I am gonna put you on hold for just a second, and then I'm gonna come out and get that little piece out here, and I will do that in front of you guys. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I gave up on the tax thing and just used some cups that were within reach. So that'll work. Then I washed my hands and I went and got the spatula. That's all I did. You didn't miss anything. Now we're gonna get this little lump of whatever out of here. Maybe. Okay. I think we are good to go now. All right, guys, what do you think about the composition? Think I should mess with it or leave it? Maybe I could take some of it off this way. Let's at least look into that. Start shifting it that way and see if I like it. It's not that I really want to lose anything else. I just kind of wanted to shift it. So, what do you guys think? Yeah. I don't know. I seem to be just shifting it back. So maybe I didn't like that so much. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it there. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for hanging with me. It's fun to experiment. I love it when they leave me extra paint to play with after they leave. So there we go. Please like and subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, all those good fun things. Be inspired. All right, here's the close-ups. Here is the lower right corner, the upper right corner, going over to the upper left corner, the lower left corner. Let's see some of that middle action. Look at that. Look at those layers. Very, very interesting. So different. Having a blast. Love this blue. The blue is so gorgeous. Okay, guys, that was a lot of fun. It did not turn into a tornado pour, but maybe I will watch a couple videos on that and actually do one of those. So, but anyway, it is what it is. Thanks for watching. You guys are great. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.